Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is simply AlRitch. This will be just a quick video. I'll be showing you the update from Google AdSense that it now has a better payments reporting. So what does it mean? There's now a separate tracking for your YouTube AdSense earnings and the earnings that you get from your website. So as you can see here at the right side section, we thought you might find this card interesting. Better payments reporting. You can now view your YouTube and AdSense earnings separately. So by default, uh, the look will be the AdSense earnings that you got from your website. So this $2.58 is the earnings that I got from my website, online diary of alrich.com, a blog that I've maintained for like 17 years now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17. Actually, I started like 2005, but I just deleted some of my old posts. So yeah, this blog is really that old. So it's I have now like an adult adult child. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the AdSense. So this is the earnings that I got. So once you log into your to your Google account, you will have this look. But if you don't have a website set up, I think it will ask you to set up an AdSense for your website. But if you don't have a website, you can just ignore it and click on this left side section here, the AdSense for YouTube. So as you will see here that this is my earnings from my YouTube account. So it is now separated. Home, click on home. So this is um, for my website, and if you click this icon here, AdSense for YouTube, that's for your uh, YouTube earnings. You can also go to the payment section. So payments account for AdSense. So this is for your website, and this is for the YouTube. So there is a label YouTube and there is for AdSense. So AdSense, like the ads you see here. So this is from Google AdSense. So yeah, and then this is for my YouTube account. So that's how that's the look for the payment tracking, guys. So when you are viewing from your mobile account, you can just click on this hamburger menu or this three horizontal lines. I will show you on my mobile. I will so in the next on the next part of this video, I will show you it. I will show you how it looks on the mobile. Okay, now guys, so I will log into my AdSense account from my mobile. So you just need to type google.com/AdSense. Okay, click on that one. So it's still loading. And then, so by default, as I've mentioned earlier, when viewing from your desktop or laptop computer, it will show the AdSense earnings from your website or the Google AdSense. And then if you don't have a Google AdSense or a website that has a Google AdSense, it will ask you to set up. But if you don't have a website, you can just ignore it and then click this three horizontal lines, or that is what we call the hamburger menu. Click on that one and then go to the AdSense YouTube. So right now it is one. So this is my earnings from my YouTube account, from my YouTube. So this is not yet like mobile friendly. The look is, not. I think different, not yet responsive. Okay, yeah. It is, the look is still on the desktop, so it's not responsive. So I'm just going to zoom that one, then click the hamburger menu again. Then guys, so guys, like okay, then click that one at the AdSense for YouTube, and then you can also choose the payments section here, payments. So payments, payment account for AdSense for my website, and that is $2.58. So I earn more with my YouTube account. So click on the YouTube to see your payments. Then you can just click on the view transactions and whatever you want to see for your tracking. So that's it, guys. I hope you won't be shocked if like, oh, where's my money, it's still not, it's still there, guys. So it will not be like, it will not be washed away, or it will not be gone. So you just need to go to the right section of the Google AdSense account. Yeah, it will not vanish, don't worry. So congratulations to those who will be earning this month, and to those who have not yet met the threshold. Just keep going and don't give up. Bye. That's all for today, guys. Just a quick video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.